Congratulations on making it this far. It's a huge accomplishment to have gained a solid understanding of AI, generative AI, and how to interact with LLMs using prompts. I hope that you've already started to see how these tools can enhance your daily life. If some concepts were challenging, that's completely normal. I encourage you to go back and review those sections. The beauty of AI is that you can use LLMs to help explain and reinforce your understanding. These foundations are critical as you continue your AI journey. Moving forward, think about how you can integrate LLMs into your daily tasks. Whether it's writing emails, researching historical topics, or even learning new skills, LLMs can be your go-to tool. And remember, even if you don't get the exact result you're looking for, you'll be close. This process will help you discover the full range of what these models can do, and also where they fall short. You're going to hear a lot of hype about AI. Some will say it's revolutionary, others will call it overhyped. But no matter what the headlines say, I truly believe that AI has incredible potential. However, thoughtful application is key. Without it, AI might just be like sand in the desert, plentiful, but not necessarily useful. I'd love for you to stay connected. Join our Discord channel or reach out via email. We have plans to add more courses and content to continue democratizing AI, and we want you to be a part of that journey. Finally, thank you for giving us the opportunity to share our insights with you. We truly hope this course has been beneficial, and we'd love to hear your feedback. Together, let's continue thinking clearly and embracing the exciting future of AI.